Ulta has a new sample kit, the main Faves kit with 12 hair care favorites. It does cost $20 and enjoy some of the best hair products that they have to offer their best customers. You'll get the Batiste leave-in hair mask, smooth, 1.7 ounces, Bum Bum Bumble BB thickening plumping mask, 1 ounce, Dry Bar liquid glass miracle soothing sealant, 0.34 ounces, Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer, 1 ounce, Hask argan oil 5-in-1 leave-in spray, 1.7 ounces, IGK Good Behavior Spirina Protein Smoothing Spray, 2.4 ounces. It's a 10 Miracle Deep Conditioning Plus Keratin, 2 ounces. Madison Reed Color Therapy Hair Mask, Pura, 1 ounce. Mark Anthony Glow Long Super Fast Strength Leave-In Conditioner, 1.7 ounces. Olaplex number 3 Hair Projector, 0.68 ounces. Privana Perfect Blonde Mask, 2 ounces. Wella Professional Fusion Plex Intense Repair Mask, 1 ounce. Hope you guys are having a great one, and I'll see you soon. Bye.